Good morning, student. Today I will take a class of negative numbers and integers. At first, we should know what is negative number and what is the difference between the negative number and the positive number. First of all, we know that when a smaller whole number is subtracted from a larger whole number, the result is always a positive number. Yes, that 15 is a greater number and 6 is a smaller number. So, when we subtracted 6 from 15, the result comes is 9, and 9 is positive number. But when we we do the opposite, that is 6 from 15, and on the other hand, when a larger whole number is subtracted from a smaller whole number, here 15 is larger number than 6, and we subtracted 15 from 6, it is impossible. So the result is comes minus 9. Yes, which is not a whole number. The symbol minus, the symbol minus denotes negative integer or indicates subtraction. According to this context, it will be clear where if sign minus is for negative integer or for subtraction. Is it clear? So when a number carry minus sign, then it will be a negative number. So all the negative numbers is opposite from its positive number. For example, minus 1 is opposite of 1 and minus 5 is opposite of 5. Is it clear? So what I have told? I have told that all the negative number is opposite to its positive number. And what is the negative number? How can I or how can we denote the negative number? How can we understand the negative number? The simple way is that when a number carries or when a number bears the minus sign, then it will be called as negative number. Another thing, 0. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. It is a natural number because 0 means 0. It has no particular value. You know, 0 has no particular value, so it is no positive number or it is not a negative number. So it has no opposite number. Okay, 5 has opposite number of minus 5, 8 has opposite number of minus 8, but 0 has no opposite number. So what is the connection of negative number in our daily life? That is, when we denote any profits or any gains or any favorable position, we always denotes this number as positive. And when we declare or when we describe any loss or any adverse position, then we denote through this negative number. That profit is represented by a positive integer, then loss is represented by a negative integer. Yes, height above the sea is represented by a positive integer, but depth below the sea level is represented by the negative integer. Here is a diagram that it is the sea level and above the sea 5 meter height, so it denotes plus 5, and depth of the sea minus 5 because it is the below of the sea level. Okay, clear? Then representation of negative number on a number line. So this is the number line and it is the right side and it is the left side. It starts from 0 to right side. When we will go to right side, then 1 2 3 4 5, this is the positive side, and when you left side, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, this is the left side and this is the negative integer. 0 is the natural integer and 1 2 3 4 5 is the positive integer. So what is the ordering? The integers on the right side are greater than the integers of the left side. So this figure, integers of the right side, this 2 3 4 5 is the right side of 1, so 2 3 4 5 is the greater than 1. As it is, 2 1 0 minus 1 is the left side of 3, so these are the less than 3. Clear? The integers on the left side are the smaller than the integers on the right side. So clear. So left side integers are always the less than right side integer, and the right side integer are always greater than the left side integer. Right side integer from 0, right side integer the positive integer, from 0 the left side integers are always negative integer. Every positive integer is greater than 0. Clear. Every positive integer 1 2 3 4 5 is always greater than 0, and every negative integer minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 is always less than 0. When a greater numerical value has negative sign or minus sign, then it is smaller than its smaller numerical value which has minus sign. What I have told, when a greater numerical value has negative sign, that is minus 5 and minus 3. 5 is a greater numerical value than 3. So when minus is indicates to 5 and minus is indicates to 3, then minus 5 is always less than 3. On the other hand, 2 is less than 100, but when minus sign is used, then minus 2 is greater than minus 100. Clear? Here is an example. The greater is an integer, the lesser is its negative. 10 is greater than 6, but opposite is minus 6. Minus 6 is greater than minus 10. Because 10 and 6, when carries the plus sign, then 10 is the greater numerical value than 6, so 10 is greater than 6. But when it comes with the opposite minus sign, then minus 6, which is the smaller than 10, then minus 6 is greater than minus 10. Use a number. Here is an example. What I have told, we use a number line to write the following integers in ascending order. 5 minus 8 0 3 minus 5 10. So we should draw a number line and point out a 0 in the middle point, and the left and right side we mark 1 2 3 4 5 and so on and the left side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 on and on. So in the number line, and then we indicates each of that point, this minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 on the left side, and each of the point of right side we denotes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after putting the value, then we choose the smaller value and greater value. Okay, is it clear? Then the addition. Just follow the rules. When both the integers are positive, that is 78 and 32, those are both are positive, then the answer is 110. Just simple addition. When both are negatives, minus 78 and minus 32, both are negative numbers, then minus 78 minus 32 we should add of them, because those are goes to same path. Just see, here it is minus 32, and after completion the minus 32 we should go to minus 78. Okay, so minus 32 plus 78, both are negative numbers, so both are in the same direction, so it will be added with 32 and minus 78. If though the sign is negative, but both the sign is negative, so the number should be added and the sign will be minus. Clear? When both are the negative numbers, then the number should be added and the sign will be negative. Follow again. When both are the negative numbers, then we should add the numbers and minus sign will be denoted, because both of the minus. When one is negative and other is positive, that is minus 78 plus 32. Here one is negative number and one is positive number. What is it? Minus 78 plus 32, then 32 minus 78. In the number line, what is the representation? Let's see. Here it is minus 78. After going with minus 78, we came back to the plus 38. So the difference between them. Okay, so 32 minus 78. Here greater number is subtracted from the smaller number, then it will be 46, and the signature is sign is minus 46. The minus 78 has greater numerical value, so subtract 32 from 78 and assign minus sign to the result. Okay, this is clear. Then subtraction. If the integer to be subtracted is positive, then do the ordinary subtraction, and if the integer to be subtracted is negative, change the sign, then add. First example, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Then 8 minus minus 5. Here 8 and 5 both are positive numbers, so it is simple subtraction. Here 1 is positive and 1 is negative. So minus 8 minus of minus 5, then just change the sign of minus 5, that is plus 5, and both should be added. Minus 8 minus of minus 5, both are negative, then the one negative, we change the sign of one negative number, which minus 8 plus 5, then minus 3. When 1 is positive and 1 is negative, 1 is negative and 1 is positive, minus 8 minus 5, then minus 8 minus 5 equal to minus 30. So what is the simple way? When the both numbers are moving in a same direction, when both the numbers moving in a same direction, then we should add the numbers, and the sign will be the common sign. What I have told, when both the numbers moving in the same direction, we should add the numbers, that is 8 and 5 both are minus, moving in the same direction, so add the numbers, and the common sign is minus, here minus should be added. When both the numbers moving in the opposite direction, because minus 8 and 5 opposite direction, so the numbers should be then the numbers should be subtracted from each and other, and the minus sign should be added, denotes or assigns, because the minus is greater. Okay, clear? When both the numbers are moving opposite of another, then subtraction should be made of them, and the largest sign, that is minus, largest sign is assigns. Okay, clear? And here is some practice sum, just copy. Okay, I sent all the pages to PDF. So again, follow the rules. The largest number which assigns minus sign, it will be negative from each smaller number, that is minus 6 greater than minus 10. When both the numbers are moving in the same direction, then the number should be added and the common sign will be assigned. When both the numbers moving in the opposite direction of each and other, then the subtracted will be made between the numbers and the largest sign should be assigned. Okay, clear? So just follow the rules and practice the sum and send me the copies. Okay, I will check, and after checking I will send another chapter or another topic to you. Thank you. Good morning.